All right, so the way that we go online and we grab a picture off the internet, or they can also just take a picture of their house and then they can send it to us, just text it to us. But what we want to do for every quote is essentially draw on the picture where we're going to put the lights, right? So there's no discrepancies on what the game plan is, as well as upload it to the file in the customer factor, so that way whoever installs the lights in the future, or has an image, right, a map essentially of what they're supposed to be, where they're supposed to be putting the lights on. Okay, so the first thing, let's just go out to Google here. So just put in the address of the house you're looking for, find it, or again, if they just send you the picture, that's totally fine. But there's this program called Snagit. Okay, so we're going to open up Snagit, and we're just going to push on capture, and then what it's going to do is allow us to just like grab the area that we want to take a picture of. Okay, so if you're doing trees, grab the trees, including the house, but just want to make sure I get the house in there. Once I outline the area of the image I want to take a picture of, I'm just going to come down here to the camera, click that, it's going to snap a picture. Okay, so from this point, what we want to do is basically draw out where we're going to put the lights. All right, so if you want this picture to be bigger, you can come up here and change the size so it's easier to draw. Okay. All right, so I'm going to grab just a line, and then I'm going to make it white and dotted. So you can do dashed lines. This is the one we're doing here, okay, to make it kind of look like lights. We always do the white color. All right, and then you can change the thickness of how thick those lines are. We'll just kind of see first how it looks. I think this will probably make it a little bit whiter on these. So I'm just gonna do like a 6. Okay, so I'm gonna draw the lines. Basically, you just click, keep your mouse down, drag it to where you want it. Okay. So wherever you're quoting the lights to go, that's where you want to draw. Okay. All right, so this is going to be, again, a picture of like where the lights are going to go. We want to make sure that the client gets this image of where it goes. Just going to draw everything. If you messed up, you can just click on it, grab the end, change where that line's going, okay? Or just click on it, delete it, start over. So what we're doing is we're offering like different packages. This would be like our first package is just the roofline eaves, okay? And then we're coming in with a different package. So we're trying to offer everybody 3 packages. The other package is going to be like outline the garage. Okay. And including the garage, we're also going to throw on like stake lights. So I might just draw out like what it might look like with the stake lights in the yard. Okay, so something like that. That might be our second package. Our third package is going to be, this house might not be a great example, but it might be just outlining like all the ridges on the roof, right? So all the ridges, so it's like a 3D outline of everything. Okay. Might do something where it's just kind of all in, like the whole roof line on the front. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll give 3 different packages, 3 different options for these people. So I'll do 3 different pictures. I'll do one picture, of just the first package, and then we'll save that image. And then you save the image by just going to File, right, Save As, and then we'll put the customer's name, and then package 1, right? We're calling package 1 Christmas Eves, and then what you could do is draw in the garage and the stake lights, and you could do that package 2, and we're calling that Let It Glow. And then we'd come back, add all the roofline lights, and then we'd call that package 3, and we're calling that the Griswold. So anyway, that's what we're doing. But the main thing that you should be doing is making sure you draw on the image and you send that to the client so they know what they're getting, and then you upload that photo to Customer Factor. Okay, that's basically how you go through. We're using Snagit to draw those things. Now, if they're going to do a wreath or something, what we're doing is just grabbing a shape and we're changing the color to green. I'm just going to do an oval. Okay, and let's just assume they wanted like a wreath here, so we're just going to grab this, make it look like a wreath. Might change the thickness if it, to make it look full. Okay, so I might throw a wreath on there as well, as what we're doing to kind of give them visualizations of what they're getting. So if we're going to do like tree lights, we might just grab this pen and with squigglies. We've kind of been doing it in red, but we're just kind of like squiggling on the tree that we're going to light so they know, what's going to be lit. Okay. All right, sounds good. So if you have any other questions, be sure to ask, but that's essentially how we use Snagit to go on, capture an image, or have them send us an image, just upload it to Snagit, right, import it, and then draw the lines out.